Hello, my name is Gloria Verdugo Flores, and this is the text. The National Bicycle Dealers Association reports strong bicycle sales from year to year. Sales were weakest in 2000 at 20.9 million bikes and lowest in 1997 at 15.2 million. It's a little hard to tell how strong a correlation this is to gas prices. Fatalities and injuries have gone down significantly, according to one method of tracking by the League of American Bicyclists. Helmets can take credit for most of that. The average annual operating cost of a bicycle is $390. Compare that to the average cost of operating a car, open parenthesis, $10,259, according to AAA, close parenthesis, and you have a major way to say serious dog. FYI biking, open parenthesis, with light effort, close parenthesis, burns about 375 calories an hour. Finish.